This is gonna blow your mind. Your Roomba isn't broken, it's just confused. Let's get those sensors back on track. Roomba robots rely on sensors to navigate and avoid obstacles, but if those sensors stop working, your Roomba can get stuck, miss dirt, or act plain weird. The most common culprit? Dirty sensors. Dust, pet hair, or even fingerprints can block the sensors, making your Roomba blind. To fix this, power it off, flip it over, and gently wipe the sensors with a dry, soft cloth. Never use wet wipes. Moisture can damage the electronics. Another issue could be low battery. If your Roomba acts strangely, try charging it fully before restarting. Still having trouble? Check for firmware updates in the iRobot app. Outdated software can mess with sensor performance. And finally, if your Roomba keeps misbehaving, you can reset it by holding down the clean button for about 10 seconds. So next time your Roomba goes rogue, don't panic. A quick clean and reset might be all it needs to get back to work.